Welcome back to MV Don Marco. On the previous episode, Tank Closing, we learned to use personal protective equipment, or PPE. On this episode, you are tasked to set the line for the fuel system, run the supply pump, and check for leaks in the fuel system line. Observe, and learn on this video, how to maintain radio communication during critical operation. Fuel oil heater inlet. Fuel oil heater outlet. Fuel oil booster pump inlet. Fuel oil booster pump outlet. Fuel oil flow meter inlet and outlet. Fuel oil supply pump outlet.
Hey Marco, we are ready. Yeah, can I start?
Yes, start fresh supply pump number 2, Chief.
Okay, I'm putting on now the breaker and I will start the pump number 2. Pump started.
Pump running. Chief, the discharge pressure of the supply pump is 4 bar.
Okay, I have also increasing, it's coming down pressure, it's around 2.6 now, here for the main engine showing.
Booster pump number 2 mechanical seal is leaking, but it's normal because it's diesel, Chief.
Okay.
Fuel heaters looks good, Chief.
Only 2 bars if I am checking for this, see the data all okay. I will go to the side and check.
Remember, radio communication is a close-loop communication. It is important to always give feedback. Make your message short and precise. Radio is an official means of communication, and is not meant for conversation.